After seeing this, you will prevent cancer thanks to this delicious juice. Cancer is the cause of death for many people in the world. You can fight as long as it is detected in time. Sometimes people often detect it a little late. In this occasion we will share with you a juice of purple cabbage and beet, with which you can prevent cancer. Being a completely natural juice, you can always consume it. It does not have side effects. This juice contains natural ingredients, and in it lies its potential. Although we have only mentioned 2 ingredients for this juice, there is a third ingredient that makes it more powerful. It is orange juice, which in combination with purple and beet, make the perfect blend. Recent studies indicate the important role orange plays in cancer prevention. Researchers indicate that including it in our daily diet can prevent cancer in 50%. This because they strengthen our immune system and prevent tumor growth. In addition, each of these ingredients has a lot of antioxidants, because if we do not have the necessary antioxidants, an oxidative stress occurs that is the main risk factor for the development of cancer. Ingredients: 1/4 of purple cabbage, 3 cups fresh beetroot juice, the juice of 6 oranges. Preparation method: the first step we must do is chop the cabbage, then squeeze the 6 oranges and make the cabbage juice. Once ready, you must add these 3 ingredients in a blender. You must mix until their consistency is smooth. Once you are ready, if you prefer, you can add some ice to make it cooler. This will already depend on the taste of each person. To consume this drink you must have an empty stomach. That is, you must take it just when you wake up. We recommend that you take it once a month at least, although you should combine it with an excellent diet that is free of meat, dairy, flour and processed foods while it is made. If you